the 2010 CF-18 Hornet is honored to celebrate this anniversary by adopting the Centennial as its theme. As part of a tribute, the aircraft flown here today has its tail specifically to commemorate this milestone. Flying the Hornet is Captain Buse from Etonia, Saskatchewan. Brian began his flying career in 1995 in Okotoks, Alberta, and graduated from Mount Royal College in Calgary with a 2003. Captain Buse was posted at 416 and 409 squadrons in Cold Lake, Alberta, and is presently serving with 425 Squadron in Bagotville, Quebec. Has accumulated over 1,800 hours of flying time and over 1,200 hours on the CF-18. And now, from behind, the Canadian Forces CF-18! Get your cameras ready. From the left, the top side pass. Upon reaching show center, full afterburners will be selected, and the two F404 engines will produce over 32,000 pounds of thrust to accelerate the CF-18.